Hi and welcome to Taking Off. Today I'm going to show off just how new of a pilot I really am. I'm going to my first fly-in. Okay, so in all my cross-country flying, I do a lot of cross-country flying, a lot of 3-4 hour legs. And in all that time, I've never flown from Hicks all the way over to Northwest Regional, which is like 4 minutes. I've flown over the airport, but I've never been there. So they're having a pancake breakfast this morning. I'm going to be a little late, but they still should be going on. And I'm going to check it out. It's the first time I've done anything like that. Now, on these short, 5-minute flights, I know for me that I have to be really careful because with all those long cross countries, I end up having tons of time to prepare for my landing. But with a 5-minute flight, you don't. So what I like to do is basically prep my landing while I'm in the run-up area because I won't have time. Especially going to a 5-minute trip to an airport I've never landed at. It'd be good to go ahead and brief that one. So I'll be doing that. So Alliance is preloaded, but we need to go to 1229 once we're up there. So we get everything preloaded because I'm not going to have time to do all this. So the first thing we're going to do after departing is we're going to switch over to Alliance and ask for transition. We'll go at 2000.
Hicks traffic, Cessna 71 Echo, turning left downwind, runway 32, touch and go Hicks.
Okay, we got touch and go stuff going on here. Lots of patterns. So lights, camera, and action. All our stuff looks good there. So they're in pattern, doing touch.
Hicks traffic 0 uniform Charlie, entering traffic pattern 1 flight 45 degrees, 1,500. Touch and go 326.
Hicks traffic Centurion 4620 Yankee, taking the active 32 for a northeast departure Hicks. We're going to look one more time because that's a busy pattern. Okay, nobody coming. Flaps are at 10. Mixture prop.
Hicks traffic, Cessna 71 Echo, turning left base, runway 32, touch and go hit.
And gears up. And I got an amber light, flaps.
Hicks traffic, Cessna 71 Echo, turning final runway 32, touch and go Hicks.
Hicks traffic Centurion 4620 Yankee, last call. We're going to go northeast Hicks. Alliance Tower Centurion 4620 Yankee.
Centurion 4620 Yankee, Alliance Tower.
We're at 1,400 off Hicks, going to 2,000, request transition to 52 Fox.
Centurion 20 Yankee, transition approved, altimeter 3017.
3017, 20 Yankee.
Cessna 6 Mike Alpha, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff, runway heading to 3000.
Okay, so 1229 was the Unicom. I'll be ready for that one.
Stearman 444, you going to Hicks?
Yeah, that's affirmative, 444.
Alright, Stearman 444, I have nobody on final. Numerous targets in the vicinity of Hicks Airfield. Alliance wind 320 at 11, frequency change approved. Good day.
Frequency change approved, thanks for your help.
RB1 Romeo Golf, Alliance Tower. RB10 Romeo Golf, Alliance Tower, traffic alert just south of your position, northbound 1800, transition approved, altimeter 3017. Are you at 15 or 18, sir? RV10 Romeo Golf, that traffic is just either behind you or slightly behind and to your right now.
Okay, so here's Alliance right here.
Thank you.
Right off the bat. So we'll keep an eye on that. We've got our traffic alert here.
Cessna 6 Mike Alpha, contact regional departure. Good day.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, I'm going to aim a little bit left of the airport so I can enter a left downwind for 35.
Centurion 20 Yankee, traffic 12 o'clock, a mile and a half northbound, Cessna 1300, climbing to 3000.
We're looking for him, 20 Yankee. Yeah, I do have him here on the radar, not radar, TCAS, or whatever it is.
Yeah. 20 Yankee, that traffic's just below and to your left.
I have him, 20 Yankee.
20 Yankee, maintain visual separation from that traffic. Numerous targets in the vicinity of Northwest Regional Airport. Frequency change approved. Good day.
Thank you. Frequency change approved, 20 Yankee.
RV1
02 Mike Juliet has the base traffic inside, no back. All right.
Northwest Regional, Centurion 4620 Yankee over Alliance. Inbound will do a left downwind for 35, Northwest. So we are at 4 miles. I'm guessing that's the airport right there. So I'm going to slow her down even more.
Northwest Regional traffic, RV202, Mike Juliet, left base for runway 35, number 2 for landing.
Okay, so they've got several in there, and I'm looking, yeah, lots of traffic. And Alliance warned us there was lots of traffic, so.
Northwest traffic, RV202, Mike Juliet, base to final, runway 35, full stop, northwest.
That. We'll stay at 2,000.
Hidden Valley traffic, Cardinal 34807, is going to take 17. Scorch is clear. Roger that. Northwest Regional, Tomahawk 24 Delta is entering left downwind for 35, full stop.
Okay, so we're 100 above pattern altitude. Looking.
Northwest Regional 24 Delta is left base 35, full stop.
Okay, we're at pattern altitude. We'll hold up here. We'll slow it down. Good.
Northwest Regional 24 Delta is final, 35, full stop. Northwest traffic, RV202, Mike Juliet is clear.
Green light and 2 out there. Northwest Regional, Centurion 4620 Yankee, entering a left downwind for 35, northwest. Okay, get a good look at the runway here. No traffic that I can see here in the downwind. But we should have 2 about to land, so I'm looking. The runway. Okay. I got that guy on short final. And the other guy had pulled off, so that was number 2 right there. Okay, so let's begin our descent. Flaps to 10.
Northwest Regional traffic, RV202, Mike Juliet crossing at Charlie, northwest.
Northwest Regional, Centurion 4620 Yankee, left base 35, northwest.
Air active is clear, northwest south. Northwest traffic Bonanza. If there's anyone come back crossing the active Bravo Northwest.
Nobody on final? Northwest, Centurion 4620 Yankee, turning final 35 Northwest. Okay, runway's clear. Guy crossing is on. Full flaps. Airspeed. 80. Looking good. Oh, nice landing. Hey, where are we going? There's a lot of traffic over here, so we'll go to the traffic. Northwest Regional, Centurion 4620 Yankees cleared the active Northwest.